going to be uploading a Laravel application right here to cPanel right here. So basically, I'm currently using Go54 right here. So Go54 is one of the biggest hosting platform in the country, in Africa, and overseas. All right, so I have this Laravel application right here, and I want to actually do what move it to cPanel, and anybody can do what access it. If I refresh right now, this is all what I do what get. And also, I've made sure that my Laravel application has been pushed to Git, right? So my GitHub is also very, very, very much ready, right? So you can see it's very, very much ready. So right now, the next thing I'm going to do right now is pretty simple. Is that I'm just going to go straight to the cPanel, right? I'm going to go straight to the cPanel, and in the cPanel right here, I'm going to click on Git version what control, like this right here, Git version what control. So basically, you can see there's nothing here, right? So I'm going to click on create, and I'm clicking on create. I'm going to go straight to my Git account, then I'm going to do what copy the clone stuff here. So you can actually deploy on cPanel through SSH or through clone right here. I'm going to choose this HTTPS. I prefer it to SSH. SSH is actually very cool, but I'll do another video for SSH. So I'm going to paste it right here. So before I actually continue, I want to go straight to my folder. Okay, my folder is actually empty. And when you paste this, it's going to generate something for you like this. So you're going to have to do a change it, right? So I'm going to come and say slash, I think it's slashed out or something. So right here is going to be public, going to change it to public underscore HTML, like this. Yeah. So after that, I'm just going to do this, leave it the way that I've done this way. Make sure you're doing your own like that. And I'm going to do what, click on create. Uh, it already contains directory because it already contains some files. What files does it contain itself? Alright, so basically you can actually do your own like that, but my own is giving me some errors by the way. So coming, let me just do a slash right here. This should work. It contains some files. If I do of Canada, let me see what happens. Alright, so that works actually. That's fine. So you can just set this. So you go straight to your cPanel right here. You come here, you be seeing this of Canada right here. Right? You're going to be saying it like this, which is perfectly what fine. Alright, so let's continue. So right now, what we're going to do right now is pretty simple. Is that we are going to go straight into it. As you can see, I double clicked on it. So we're going to go straight into it, and we're going to do what, move everything that we have here. Right, we're going to move everything. I'm going to click on select all, and I'm going to do what, click on what, move. Right, I'm going to move everything straight into what, public right here. Right, so that's basically what I'm going to do. So I'm going to move it like that. Good, so it has been moved. So since it has been moved, if you go back to your link again, you basically say this right here, right? So you're going to go straight to your public underscore HTML like this, and we're going to begin everything from here, right? So right now, for your link to actually start working, you need to do some things, by the way. So you need to go straight to your terminal and all like that. So I'm going to type in terminal here to get to my terminal for my cPanel like that. and I'm going to be doing some specific stuff by the way. So the first thing I'm going to do now is that, by the way, I'm going to do cd into what exactly? Public underscore HTML, cd into public underscore HTML, like that. So you have cd into that part. So the next thing to do now is that I'm just going to do composer install. So I'm going to do this, is going to give you the composer install. If it doesn't install this for you correctly, you can just drop it in the comment or chat me on WhatsApp. I'm going to do what help you out in doing so, making it work for you. So basically right now, I am going to do what? Create a database. Obviously, I have one already, by the way. So I'm just going to go straight into, I'm going to go straight to my cPanel right here. And I'm going to go straight into manage my databases. So I'm not going to create a new database because I already have database already. So I'm just going to copy one of these stuffs I have here, like that. So I'm going to copy it like that. And what I'm going to do now is that inside of this place here, the public stuff here, right? I am going to what's it called? I'm going to go straight into the public folder like this public folder right here. I'm going to come inside here. I'm going to do what? Select all. I'm going to do, you can actually copy or you can actually do what? Move, right? Anyone you prefer to do, you can do anyone. So I'm going to move it to the public here. So it's going to go there. And inside there, when you go there, you're going to scroll down and basically you're going to see index.html. Sorry, index.php right here. So I'm going to click on edit, and right here, I'm just going to do a simple change like this. Click on save. You've done that, and if you come here now, you should be seeing some things right there, right? So something like seeing server error, which is perfectly fine. It's already coming up. So the next thing to do right now is pretty simple. Is you need to create a file, right? An env file. So plus env. So I've created a new file, and this env file, I'm going to do what? Try and locate it and work with it. So this is the env file. I'm going to do edit, and basically I'm going to just copy the env file I have on my local host, right? Local computer. Env file. I'll copy it, and I'm going to come and paste it here. So practically, I already have a database connection, right? I just created a database. It's very easy to create a database. You can do that. So right now, I'm going to just name my database right here. So I'm going to come here. This is my database name. Name my database name. It's my password. I'm pretty sure that's the password, by the way. So I'll click on save. So if I've basically done that, I'm going to go straight to my terminal right here. I'm going to say php artisan migrate. So basically I've migrated already, so that is why it's not even migrated at all. So what I'm going to do right now is that I'm going to look for a command called php. I want to look for a command called, or basically I already have. Alright, Alright, so this is the command I'm actually looking for, php artisan key generate. So I'm going to copy this command here. I'm going to do what, come and paste it right here. So if I've done that part, and I'm also going to copy this command that I have right here. Alright, so if I should come straight here now, I think everything should be working fine. So everything is actually working fine right now, right? So basically, if you make a push, you might get a Git issue, right? But it's very easy. If you actually get a Git issue, you can actually message me on WhatsApp or tell me in the comment section below, or you just send me an email, then I'll teach you on what to do next. Alright, so basically I'm going to come straight here to this place right here. So this is the home page right here. I'm just going to do it clear. I'm going to clear it. So let me go and see how it looks like on localhost. So basically it's not showing anything, right? It's not. So let's push that to production. So let's see. So I'm going to do a clear. So I'm going to do git add. I'm going to do commit. I'm going to do push. I'm going to do a push. So if you've done that push, you go straight to your git side here. Just your git side. You can basically come and do it. Let me do it here, by the way. So you come to git. Come to git right here. I'm trying to type in git here. Git control. So click on manage. Click on deploy. So you can see it as commit right now. So let's go on production and see what happens. So you can see it as basically what? Gone. So that's the way you actually push to production and all like that. If you like the video, please drop the video. Leave a subscription and like it, share it to your friends. But if you encounter any further issues, please drop it in the comment section below or chat me live on WhatsApp.